first time we were rehearsing these fights, of course, we started making the sound effects of the lightsabers, like
wow. I can't help it. It just happens. So.
You know, be on a Star Wars set and swing a lightsaber. I used to struggle a lot with not making the sound effects. I remember George Lucas on a couple of occasions would have to come over to me and say, Hayden, I can see your mouth moving and you don't need to make the sound effects. I can do that in post.
You know, I kind of looked at each one and I thought, okay, we have to stop that, you know.
I think I still do them in my mind.